Welcome to my channel. Today we will demonstrate some formulas in Excel that you can use in your work that will save more time and increase your efficiency. So we'll start with some SUMIFs, and subtotal formulas. So we'll start with sum. Sum is like it's a general formula that sum any range that we define like that. We define the range of total sales. So this is the total sales of all regions, all salesperson, and all products. Here we'll go for SUMIF. Some defined range, but with a F formula like that. SUMIF. We will sum the sales of June and we need the total sales. Here is the total sales. Here are SUMIFs formula. We have more than F formulas like SUMIFs. We need to sum the total sales. The first criteria range is region. We need the sales of East region, and the second range is product. We need the sales of printer. Here is the total sales of printer in the East region. So if we filter, here we have total sales as 3,150. The final formula is subtotal. Here, subtotal have different functions like average, count, A, max, sum. So here we need to sum. We'll choose 9 and we'll choose the range. It's total sales. So if we filter with the region, slight north region, we have sales 3,000. If we filter with salesperson like Emma, we have total sales 3,000. Like and subscribe the channel and share this video. Thank you.